Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ban pinkre ek kasni nyo vote jong ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency UDC ka East Khas Hills District ulo ong baki board district kimdan jingthmu satya ban wen ya ka kinhon 144 CRPC bakhang banyat procession ne rally ha kasni nyo vote. Habayakran baginong tho khubor UDC ulo ong ka jingjurip menta kasngi ka long na kabenta ban batay yaki BLO barki weki kinhun kum ka media team police CRPF ki bapahara yaka strong room barki jaka nyovod halor ki jingpen kre bapher bangina penben nalor kata ki wei par ki jingpen kre khanang bakanami kanu ka kinram ha ki jaka nyovod bat ban penti kana batang ki briu ki balayo jingben on sha ban rum shapo ki jaka nyovod ula ong UDC ula pentip ru ba ula bo ya ka media cell ka bakerpang na kamta kani kasingi ha kawi kaliang UDC ula pentip ba unum weng satya ya ka hukum bakhang persya banyat procession ba rally ha kasingi nyovon ngin weng ya kani ka hukum kamdan satya ka jing perkhat ban weng ya ka hukum henrei sa shisin nga kwa ban banjur ba kamdan jingkhang ki sengsan perthai ne ki kertong ba kin ne kmen halaki jong ki snong ki thau ngim persya ya ka jing le kmen jong ki ula ong Usadhu ula pentip ula yo apdiang ye ki jingkerpa ne ki sengsan perthai bat seng bhalang habaya dei ba ka jingweng no ye ka kinhun 144 CRPC khamtam habaya dei ba ka jingkhang banyat rally henre ye ka ni ka hukum la penmi da ka jingthmu ban pentikna ba ka suk ka san kan omsha penthut batru banum penthut ye ka yat ke yeng juki nong leng nongwan Namar ka sautrik ujaliu ka badai ka sngi nyaw vote ka dai ru ka sngi long tray bar ka jaka nyaw vote ka dai hapdeng jong ka sor kumta ka procession bat rally ka la ban nam sha ka jing penthut ya ka suk kasan bat wan ra ya ka jing dheng kali kumbangi laman ya ka election MLA ula ong
This today's inspection is for the purpose of briefing all AROs and other stakeholders like media team, police, CRPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and this control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes smooth counting of machines and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts will be conducted here, and also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident at the counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting center. There is a separate dedicated media cell also has been created. We have briefed the media team also to ensure that media can have real-time access to information, so that the information sharing would be in a continuous and transparent manner. And we have set up separate. We will be setting up a separate screen for media to access. And up to this media center, we will allow media people to take mobiles also, so that for any other communication from there, media will be able to share this information. Sir, how many companies of CRPF are? So one company of CRPF is here, but outer layer would be guarded by state armed police. Sir, we have seen some third parties along with the have demanded that CRPC order. So what's the money? So this is one political party, and yesterday we received one petition from one of the NGOs with regard to revocation of 144, particularly with regard to prohibition of processions and rallies. But this order has been issued with an objective to ensure that law and order is not disturbed, and also to ensure the traffic convenience for the normal commuters. So because on 4th, that is counting day, would be a working day, and the counting center is in the middle of the city. So there is every possibility that the processions may lead to law and order disturbances, and also will create huge traffic problems that we experienced in last assembly elections. So with these objectives, we have issued these directions prohibiting processions and rallies, but other forms of celebrations at their own localities are not prohibited in this order. So this is very clear, and we have conveyed it to all stakeholders also. So can we say that not revoke this order? No, there is no thought of revoking this order, which is already issued. But again, I would like to reiterate that there is no objection of the parties or candidates celebrating at their own localities. So that we are not against the celebration. So parking, so we have even reviewed the parking arrangements. So there would be separate parking arrangements for the political representatives of the political parties and their teams, and there will be separate parking places for our officers and the counting teams. So SRGT will parking lot will be earmarked for the political parties, and the other grounds will be for our counting team.